Hey, animal lovers! Think you know the animal kingdom inside out? Let's test your wild knowledge with some mind-blowing and fun animal facts. Get ready for 15 awesome questions. Let's see how many you get right. Don't forget to comment your score at the end. Which one is the loudest animal on Earth? A. Lion. B. Howler monkey. The answer is howler monkey. Their roar can be heard up to 3 miles away through dense forests. Which one has no blood? A. Starfish. B. Octopus. It's the starfish. Instead of blood, they use seawater to pump nutrients through their body. Who sleeps only 2 hours or less per day? A. Koala. B. Giraffe. It's the giraffe. They only need a couple of hours of sleep to stay alert in the wild. Which animal can see 360 degrees around? A. Owl. B. Chameleon. Correct answer, chameleon. Each of its eyes moves independently, giving it a full panoramic view. Which one has 3 hearts? A. Octopus. B. Crab. You got it, octopus. 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. Which one has the most teeth? A. Shark. B. Catfish. Believe it or not, it's the catfish. Some catfish have over 9,000 tiny teeth. Which animal can lift 60 times its own weight? A. Ant. B. Cockroach. It's the mighty ant. That's like a human lifting a car. Which one can sleep standing up? A. Horse. B. Giraffe. Answer, horse. Their leg tendons lock, allowing them to nap while staying upright. Which animal has the strongest punch? A. Kangaroo. B. Mantis shrimp. It's the mantis shrimp. Their punch is so fast it creates bubbles that boil water instantly. Which animal can live without its head for several days? A. Cockroach. B. Lizard. Creepy but true. Cockroach. It can survive for a week without its head. Which one can naturally change its sex? A. Clownfish. B. Seahorse. It's the clownfish. When the dominant female dies, the male changes sex to take her place. Which one can stay underwater the longest without breathing? A. Porpoise. B. Crocodile. Answer, crocodile. It can hold its breath for up to 2 hours underwater. Which one can survive for months without drinking water? A. Camel. B. Kangaroo rat. It's the kangaroo rat. It gets all its moisture from the seeds it eats. Which animal can smell with its feet? A. Spider. B. Ant. The answer is spider. They sense smells and vibrations through tiny hairs on their legs. Which one has the strongest bite? A. Crocodile. B. Shark. It's the crocodile. Their bite force can reach up to 3,700 psi, stronger than any other animal on Earth. So how many did you get right? If you scored more than 10, you're a real animal expert. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And stay tuned for the next Wild Quiz Challenge.